Now, as you can create content with the help of AI, you can also dub your videos on YouTube as well with the help of AI tools. I mean, you can make different versions of your videos in different languages and in different audios. So now you can hear the Joe Biden voice in different languages.
For decades, people have talked about the Brent Spence Bridge. But folks, talking is over.
Die Kentucky mit Cincinnati, Ohio, verbindet.
连接肯塔基州和俄亥俄州的新兴大堤。
Nag-uugnay sa Kentucky sa Cincinnati, Ohio.
I have done this with the help of AI. AI is booming right now, so we can even create the voice of Donald Trump in different languages. So this feature is very useful. This feature is not out to all of the creators on YouTube, but YouTube is testing it on some limited creators. So the big creators like Mr. Beast have got this feature. Google and YouTube are also working together on an AI tool for changing voices, I mean dubbing. A few months ago, Mr. Beast created different channels on YouTube for promoting his videos in different languages. But as this new feature called audio track is out to the big creators, so Mr. Beast merged all of his videos to his main channel. Not videos actually, you know what it is, voices in different languages. So when it comes to dubbing your audios, it's a very hard process and it takes a lot of resources and hard work. But as always, we are going to show you a way through which you can do it easily and quickly. For dubbing your audios, you can use AI tools. An AI tool, Papercup, has claimed that you can multi-language or dub your video and upload it to YouTube as well. So you can use AI dubbing for creating videos in different languages. In this video, we are going to look at dubverse.ai, an easiest and magical way to dub your videos with magic. You can dub any type of video here on this website. You can dub in 30 plus languages and with different speakers from all around the world. That makes it so versatile. You can make the subtitles of your videos as well with this tool. They call this feature sub. Now we are going to look at how you can dub your audios with this AI tool called Dubverse. So you would just click on get started for free and create an account on Dubverse. After creating your account, you would be transferred to your dashboard. In dashboard, you can see that you can dub your video, you can create subtitles, and you can voice your text as well. So here we are going to choose dub your video, or we can click on create, and in the dub section click on add a video. Here you can paste your YouTube video link or you can upload it from your computer. So I'm just gonna paste the link of my video. So we will paste the link and click on next. Now from here you can select target languages and you can select voices. I'm going to select Arabic and then you have to click on the plus icon to choose your avatar or choose your voice. I am also going to select from Spanish as well. So here I will select the two voices from Spanish and then you can click on let's dub. Once my video has been edited, now you can hear it in different languages.
Ainsi, GPT-4 a été lancé et nous utilisions déjà les versions précédentes de GPT-3 et 3.5. Mais c'est le modèle de langage le plus avancé qu'OpenAI vient de publier.
इसलिए GPT-4 लॉन्च किया गया है और हमने पहले ही GPT-3 और 3.5 के पिछले संस्करणों का उपयोग कर लिया है, लेकिन यह सबसे उन्नत भाषा मॉडल है जिसे OpenAI ने अभी जारी किया है.
Entonces, se lanzó GPT-4 y ya usamos las versiones anteriores de GPT-3 y 3.5. Esto es súper útil. Puede generar texto.
Now let's talk about how AI dub these voices. Actually, AI uses real human voices. First, they process it. AI will only use the voice of the person that has allowed AI to use his voice, and then AI can speak it in that person's voice. So that means AI doesn't have any voice. It takes voices from different humans. As we can see that there are many human-like voices and real voices available on this website. AI can dub our videos with those voices. So that means that few people have allowed AI, this website, to use their voices. and then AI can dub over videos. So this is pretty simple. That's the magic behind this magical tool. This feature that YouTube is working on is so powerful that now you can broaden your audience on YouTube and you can create your YouTube videos in different languages with the help of these AI tools, and you can go viral internationally, worldwide, and everybody could watch your videos in their own language. This is a very useful feature and we are looking forward to it when it would be out to all of the creators, and we hope it would be out very soon and we would be able to test it. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Take care.